अगेन अच्छा, वो जब प्रैक्टिस किया था आपने, मैंने कुछ वीडियोस आपसे शेयर किए थे, हैव यू प्रैक्टिस्ड?
Yes.
Let's try again. Harpreet, today again will
Yes, sir.
will touch, because obviously we will touch the TEF examination pattern. So we will
Yes,
touch
sir.
section A, writing task.
Okay. Okay.
In writing task again, because in your writing task you have to create your istuar. Wudavikre, Wudavikre water istuar. आपको writing task में what you have to do is you have to create the history in the past. Say Claire. Now,
Clear.
for example, if I will say, for example, I'm your grandfather, okay, and you will say, grandfather, tell me your story with the grandma, like how you met with the grandma, how you got married. So, if I will tell you my story with the grandma, so it means I have to move back, I have to flash back in the past, right? So the
Yeah.
same in your writing task section A, you have to create your flashback. For this reason, we have covered lamp parfait, passé composé, because lamp parfait play a vital role. Now, today I will explain to you like how the pattern works. Okay, one second. Yeah, I'm just waiting for the others. One second. So today I will explain to you like how the pattern work in past. Is it clear to you? Now, for example, I am your grandpa, and I will tell you the history of your grandmother, and I will say something in the past. So you know what? These type of stories you have to create in your section A writing task. Now, for example, the story would be Grandpa explain the story to his or to her grandson or granddaughter. Make a story. So let's see how the pattern works. Say Claire. Now, for example,
Clear.
I'm your grandpa and I'm saying जेते मैं कैसे मिला अपनी आपकी grandma से. I will say जेते. Now we have done entire pattern of lamp parfait, and you know what is जेते? Harpreet, you know what is जेते?
Yes, sir.
What is जेते, Harpreet? Over here जेते.
So it is in the Lamparfe. J is for I and Ate is for the ether verb.
Yes, adverb. So I'm saying j'étais j'étais dans une boulangerie. Reply après moi s'il vous plaît. J'étais Simon mademoiselle, bonjour.
Jete.
Bonjour, sir.
bonjour. अच्छा ये वाला पैटर्न हमने भी किया तो नहीं ना? j'étais dans une boulangerie, कैसे मैं मिला, ये तो नहीं अभी किया ना हमने पैटर्न सिमर?
कल किया था सर, शायद थोड़ा सा ही किया था बस.
ये हमने कल किया था,
यस.
बट हमने इसको दोबारा रिवाइज करना चाहोगे आप?
यस सर, श्योर.
ओके, सो reply après moi. j'étais
J'étais
j'étais dans une
Yete.
dans une
dans une
अच्छा किरण,
Donjun.
sorry, you were not there, I think, Harpreet, है ना? You were not there yesterday.
No, no.
Okay, so j'étais dans une boulangerie. J'étais dans une
j'étais dans
boulangerie.
une boulangerie.
Boulangerie.
C'est clair. So I was
Clear.
in the bakery shop. Okay. Je faisais la queue. Répétez après moi s'il vous plaît. Je faisais
Je faisais
la queue. I was in the queue. I was in the queue.
the queue.
Clair, because there's a fair verb. L'em parfait. Elle se dirigeait. Répétez après moi. इसके बहुत प्रैक्टिस करोगे आप. Elle se dirigeait. Elle se. What is diriger?
Else.
Elle
I will
se
explain to you.
dirigeait.
We have verb diriger. Diriger. What is Simmer diriger? Diriger the verb to moving towards. To move.
Yes sir.
Diriger. Harpreet. We have verb
Yes, sir.
diriger, which is to move. Say Claire. So I was saying
Claire.
your elle, grandmother, elle se dirigeait vers la sortie. It means she was moving towards the exit. La sortie. Is it clear to you? Avec sa
Claire.
Yes, sir.
baguette. Répétez après moi. Avec sa
Avec.
Baguette.
avec sa baguette. C'est clair. À la main.
Claire.
À la
À,
in the
à
hand.
la main.
Is it clear to you, Harpreet?
Yes, sir.
Else देखो यहाँ पे लैम्पार्फे यूज कर लिया मैंने. She was moving towards, because the moment you will use, you will create your history. You have to say in lैम्पार्फे ou le passé composé. C'est clair? D'accord?
Claire.
Now I will say j'ai eu le souffle court. Répétez après moi. J'ai eu j'ai eu
J'ai
eu
eu
j'ai eu le souffle court. Very important. J'ai eu le
le,
j'ai eu
j'ai eu
le
le,
souffle court.
le,
le
Abhinav, is it clear to you
souffle.
what is j'ai eu? I have had.
Yes, sir.
C'est clair? Because you. Harpreet, you know what is j'ai eu? हमने किया Harpreet.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Our paper is you. So j'ai eu
Yeah.
la souffle court. Claire? Elle m'a plu tout de suite. Elle m'a plu. Répétez après moi. Elle m'a plu
Elle m'a
tout de
plu
suite. Tout de suite is immediately. Immédiatement.
tout de
Immediately. Immédiatement. Répétez après moi. Immédiatement.
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 Immédiatement is immediately. Immédiatement. Tout de suite. Elle m'a plu tout de suite. It means
Elle m'a plu tout de suite.
I pleased with her immediately. It means I got attracted towards her. So basically, what is plu over here? Mademoiselle, we have verb plaire. Plaire, we have verb to please. Please is not to please, to request. Please is something like your pleasing personality, I would say. The pleasing personality. So that is please. Like I got attracted, I can say. So she attracted me a lot. She attracted me immediately. Is it clear to you? इसको
Yes,
पढ़ो आप एक बार s'il vous plaît. Okay, 1 second. Now, elle m'a plu tout de suite. Elle m'a plu tout de suite. I'm saying I got attracted towards her. Elle m'a plu tout de suite. She attracted me a lot. Tout de suite is immediately. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Claire? Je suis sorti du magasin. Répétez après moi. Je suis sorti is my passé composé now. Mademoiselle, sortir verb belongs to my être family verb. So je suis sorti. Claire?
Je suis sorti
Je suis sorti du magasin. Du
du
magasin en vitesse. En vitesse. I'm saying I left the shop en vitesse, very fast. C'est clair.
Claire.
Yes, sir.
Because c'est la coupe de foudre. Répétez après moi. Coupe de foudre. Et Harpreet repeat करो. Coupe de foudre. Coupe
Coup de foudre.
de
Coup
foudre
de foudre.
is first sight love. First side, amour खूब de foudre. L'amour, l'amour is my
L'amour.
l'amour is my love. L'amour खूब de foudre. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Right? So this is my story which we have created. What story we have
So
created?
what is the meaning of magazine in Vitesse?
Magazine we have shown. I'm saying, je suis sorti. I came out from the shop on vitesse very fast. Is it
Okay,
clear to
sir.
you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the terms like je suis sorti. Acha. Abhinav, is it clear to you why over here je suis sorti? Because we are sorting
Yes.
the verb that belongs to S
Uh-huh.
verb. Claire?
Yeah. Yeah.
Say Claire. Now, see why we are doing these type of things, because these things are very important. Claire, now for example, I will say mon prochain article. रिप्ट आप उसको बोलो, आप लैंग्वेज को पहले आप मेरे साथ.
Mon
Mon
prochain.
prochain,
Mon
इसको
prochain.
लैंग्वेज को one thing you have to understand. आप you have to submit your task. आपको डेली बेसिस पे whatever I am explaining to you, you have to submit a voice recording for entire script. Is it clear to you? So I'm
Yes, sir.
saying
Yes, sir.
mon prochain article, mon prochain article.
Un article.
Mademoiselle, ये बोलना है आपको. मैं आपको बोलना सिखा रहा हूँ. Mon prochain
Mon
article
prochain article
sur sur l'amitié.
Sur
Sur
porte
l'amitié.
sur
l'amitié.
l'amitié.
Mon prochain article. I'm saying my next article. My next article. Prochain. Prochain we have next. My next article. Porte. Porte. Basically we have porte is my verb to carry. Is to wear. So carrying upon sur. Sur is upon. Mademoiselle, we have verb porte. Acha, Simar, you raised a question like how many verbs conjugation we have. We have
Yes,
multiple
sir.
verbs. Multiple verbs we have in French. So the moment will, up, we have next verb which is porte. Claire. So the moment will carry forward our syllables. So we'll come to know a lot of vocabularies and the verbs. Porte is my verb to wear. Porte is my verb to wear and to carry also. Is it clear to you? Claire? So
Yeah.
I'm saying my next article carry on l'amitié. It means my next article which I'm carrying upon the friendship. L'amitié. L'amitié, we have friendship. Is it clear to you?
Clear.
My next article. Now how you will say my next article? Mon prochain article. My next article. Porte sur l'amitié, carrying upon the friendship. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Clear, mademoiselle?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Clear? L'amitié. Say clair. Now,
Clear.
let's see what is the article of l'amitié. Rip chapter 1. इसको यूज करना है. Plus précisément, इसको यूज करना है आपको.
Plus
आपको
pres-
मुझे you have to submit. I'm telling you that's a reality. You have to submit your voice recording on a daily basis. And whatever we are doing now onwards, because now onward we are going to do a lot of things, you have to do practice a lot. C'est clair? Okay. So plus précisément, répétez après moi. Plus
plus
précisément sur le type,
Plus précisément
sur le type, répétez après moi. Sur le type d'amis,
sur le type
sur le type d'amis. Now over here,
d'amis.
plus précisément. Now over here we have an agu. Okay, we have two agu over here. One is plus précisément. More precisely. हम बोलते हैं more precisely. Say clair. So répétez après
clear.
moi,
Yes, sir.
mademoiselle. Plus précisément. So more
Plus précisément
precisely on the type of friends. Sur le type, sur upon, le type, the type of friends. Ami, dami, of friends. Because the is my preposition which is my of and from. Dami. Why it's dami? Because we have a vowel e, so one vowel will be apostrophe, so dami. So very precisely, you say very precisely upon the type of friendship. You bolo of language go. Plus precisimo surleti
Plus
dami.
precisement sur l'été
Dami.
d'ami.
Because
Sir, sur means on or upon.
upon.
Okay.
And on and upon. C'est clair? Okay.
Claire.
Plus précisément upon the type of friendship. C'est clair, Abhinav?
Yes, it is.
Why? Now, j'ai déjà quelques pistes. ये अब see why we are doing these sort of things, because I want you to speak the language out. J'ai déjà quelques pistes.
J'ai
Rappelez-moi,
déjà,
s'il vous plaît. J'ai déjà
j'ai déjà quelques tiges.
quelques pistes. Par exemple, I will explain to you what is this. Par exemple, l'ami d'enfance. Par exemple, I will explain to you. L'ami d'enfance. Now, what is the j'ai déjà? Déjà is already. Pen down, please. I have already. J'ai déjà quelques pistes. I have already some leads, par exemple. Some piece, some example. I will say some line. Quelques pistes. Quelque is some. Quelque. C'est clair. So, j'ai déjà quelques pistes, some tracks, pistes, you know, tracks. So, répétez après moi, j'ai déjà quelques pistes. Vous voyez, I have some tracks. J'ai déjà quelques pistes. I
J'ai
have
déjà
some
quelques
tracks.
pistes.
Par exemple, l'ami d'enfance. L'ami d'enfance, what is this? The d'enfance is my childhood. Enfance. लिख लो mademoiselle. Enfance is my childhood. The childhood friend we called as l'ami d'enfance. C'est clair. The childhood
Claire.
friend we called as l'ami d'enfance.
L'enfance.
Is it clear to you? C'est
Yes.
clair. L'ami with,
Claire.
because he's writing on the friendship. Now, par exemple, because this is the things you can increase your.
So,
Mhm. Yes, mademoiselle. You have a doubt? Simmer.
So what is the meaning of deja?
Deja is already. I have already. Deja. Deja is already. Now you will use the language. J'ai déjà fait. You will say, I have already done. Now. Okay, चलो. अभी हमने पास किया है. Let's see कि आपका पास.
Sir, I have a question.
Uh-huh.
With lami, it's like for female we use la and for male we use le. So in writing, how would we know what we are talking about? Is it male or female? Like, because we have apostrophe
That's
l here.
fine. That's your sense. Now, okay, that's very good question. If it is a female, you can apply E. If the male, you will not apply E. C'est clair. Why?
Okay.
For female, we'll have to apply insert E. C'est clair. But in speaking, we have lami only. C'est clair. Why? Okay.
So will it go with every single word?
Sorry, I didn't get what I would say.
Like for army, okay, got, if it's a female friend, then we put e at the last.
Yes.
Suppose we are not talking about a friend, we're talking about some other thing. So which are the same.
Other thing,
like,
par example.
I like, let's say table.
Table, la table. Table, we have table. C'est clair. Table.
Yeah, right now I'm not getting any word with the two vowels, like any word with starting with vowel. If I get any, I will tell you.
I will explain to you. Table, right? Table by default female version in French. So I will say la table, simple. The table, because table we have. Acha, you want to say you want some that version? Okay.
Yeah, the word starting with a vowel.
Okay.
Where
For
we have
example, we
apostrophe.
have ears. No. For example, we have eggs, egg, egg. C'est clair? Of, of. So that is egg is egg. Love the egg. Love. Why? Because that's so इतना deep में नहीं जाना आपको कि वो female है because that's the love post of it. That is love. C'est clair? Of, love, egg. C'est clair?
Yeah.
C'est
Okay.
clair?
Yes, it is.
Ok, now, j'ai déjà quelques pistes. Par exemple, l'ami d'enfance. I have already some tracks. Par exemple, l'ami d'enfance is the childhood friends. Claire. L'ami virtuel. Répétez après moi. L'ami, बोलो इसको आप अभिनव. L'ami virtuel. L'ami virtuel.
Lami.
L'ami virtuel is virtual friends. L'ami virtuel, par
Virtual.
exemple, réseau social. réseau बोलो इसको आप, ये टॉपिक आता है आपका रेजो सोशियो का. रेजो सोशियो.
So
Trace associates.
Yes, रेजो सोशियो. रेजो सोशियो is social networks. रेजो सोशियो.
social.
Yeah.
Is it clear to you?
Yes,
रेजो
Yes.
sir.
social, that is social networks. C'est clair. Réseaux sociaux, social networks. C'est clair. Now répétez après.
Claire.
L'ami d'enter, l'ami, okay,
Lami.
Lami.
type of friends, right? L'ami d'intérêt, l'ami, l'ami d'intérêt. Répétez après moi. Répétez après moi. L'ami d'intérêt. Is it clear to you?
Is it clear?
So quel est le mot? L'ami, ça va dire quoi? The l'ami d'intérêt is the friend, the friend of your interest. It means you like the friend, so l'ami d'intérêt. The friend of your interest, l'ami d'intérêt. Is it clear to you? Okay, c'est clair?
Claire.
Okay. Qui est utile? Répétez après moi. What is l'ami d'intérêt? I'm going to explain you the l'ami d'intérêt. I'm going to explain if I will say ça veut dire quoi? मेरे साथ साथ बोलो language को आप please. Ça veut dire quoi?
Ça veut dire quoi?
C'est-à-dire quoi? C'est-à-dire quoi? It means I'm saying l'ami d'intérêt. I got confused about l'ami d'intérêt, the interest of the friend, the friend interest. I will say, what is that? C'est-à-dire quoi? C'est-à-dire quoi? You will say qui est utile. Répétez après moi. Qui est utile?
T-A.
Qui est utile? Utile we have useful. Utile. Qui est utile? C'est tout, which is useful. That's all. C'est tout. C'est tout is that's all. Now, par exemple, you will say, par exemple, mon prochain article pour sur l'amitié, plus précisément sur le type d'amis. C'est clair? समझ आ रहा है आपको? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Simmer?
Yes, sir.
Can you just translate this into English? This whole sentence.
Mon prochain, आपने लिखा है इसको अभिनव?
Not this one. Say the last one you wrote.
C'est-à-dire quoi? C'est-à-dire?
Yeah.
C'est-à-dire quoi?
C'est-à-dire.
Say, this is to say what? Say is my this is say. Say, because you know EST, we have extra conjugation EST.
Yeah.
Why? So we have sir is my this, but I will say because that's a vowel. Say this is to say adir, to say. This is to say what? I'm saying this is to say what? Say tadir qua. Say clair. Okay?
Yeah.
Clair? So,
Claire.
util, आप बोलोगे which is useful. Friend, say to that's all. Say clair. Is it clear to you? Math was.
Yes, sir.
Now I will say, आप pendum कर रहे हो sir entire pattern. Donnez-moi des idées. I'm asking to you. Donnez-moi des idées. Give me some ideas. Donnez-moi des idées. Donnez-moi, give me. What is donner? Mademoiselle
To give.
Simmer, your question was how many verbs we have. The moment will, you know, go to pattern, we will get a verb also. Donner, we have verb to give. Donner. Donner, we have verb to give. I'm saying, donnez-moi, you give me. If I'm saying with respect, vous donnez, EZ conjugation, répétez après moi. Donnez-moi, give me. Donnez-moi, give me. Répétez après moi. बोलो इसको आप. Donnez-moi,
Donnez-moi, give.
donnez-moi des idées. Donnez-moi
Donnez-moi des
des
idées.
idées. Give me some ideas. Donnez-moi des idées. Give me some ideas. Donnez-moi des idées. Give me some ideas. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
So kelke and they both mean some.
हाँ देखो, हाँ आपको इस डिफरेंस बताता हूँ मैं आपको, मैं क्या है. What is the difference between calc, calc ide? Calc is something and someone. Calc, they, what is they basically? They we use for a quantity basically. Monsieur, they is used for quantity. They is used for quantity. If I will say some eggs, some eggs, यहाँ मैं calc use नहीं करूँगा. Why? Because calc is a different pattern. समझो मेरी बात को. Because this is your sons, the what's langage. बोलो आप मेरे को. Sons, répétez après moi.
Sons.
Sons, the what's langage. It means
The
it's the
water.
sense of the language. I'm saying now, for example, in English also we have two type of that. One that is key and one that is वह. Is it clear to you, Abhinav?
Yes, it is.
Right? So they, but yes, I will explain to you where we can apply they. Some, whenever you have, I will say some eggs. I'm not sure whether it could be 4, 5, 7, 7, 8, how many eggs. So I will say they serve. They serve. Say Claire, Monsieur. They
Claire.
of we have of. They serve. Is it clear to you, Monsieur? Claire?
Yes.
Okay. So of we have eggs. I'm saying some ideas. The ideas can be, I want to share my ideas. So ideas in quantity of ideas. One idea, two idea, three ideas, four ideas. So that's why is they, they. Say Claire, mademoiselle, monsieur. Why?
Sir.
Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Yes.
Say Claire. So whenever you have quantity in terms of, you know, sum. So over here we have applied they. Donnez-moi des idées. Donnez-moi des idées. There's example, some example. If only 1, 2, 3 example. So I'm saying there's example. Say Claire. Is it clear to you, Abhinav? There's example. Claire.
Yes, it is.
They definition. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4 definitions. They definition. अच्छा, इसकी प्रैक्टिस कैसे करनी है? I'm telling you now the tips. Whatever I'm telling to you in terms of, you know, these type of questionnaire, these type of sentences, la métier, you have to jot down one entire concept, and you have to you submit your voice recording in the WhatsApp group, and in your daily, obviously the ones you submit the voice recording, you can forget some vocab also. So for this season you have to practice the vocab. You have to speak. Say Claire. Okay.
Okay.
J'aurais aussi besoin, इसको भी हटा देते हैं क्योंकि अभी जोड़े वाला सेंटेंस नहीं करा अभी आपने. Say Claire now. Now répétez après moi. J'ai vu un sondage, क्योंकि मैं आपको पास्ट में लेके चल रहा हूँ. अभी हम कह रहे हैं कि कैसे स्टोरी मेकिंग करनी है, कैसे पास्ट बोलना है. J'ai vu un sondage. I saw a survey. What is j'ai vu? Simmer, tell me what is j'ai vu.
Sir, J is I.
Hmm?
View is the verb for VOIR.
Very good. Voir. So voir, Harpreet, we have verb to see.
Yes, sir.
So voir pepe is view. So in order to convert my my passive composé, so that is we have to use our conjugation. I'm saying I saw a survey. J'ai vu un sondage. Et bolo अब आप मेरे साथ. Bolo please.
J'ai vu un sondage.
C'est clair. Okay. L'amitié. Répétez après moi. L'amitié. Friendship. L'amitié. If we have a
Lamity.
l'amitié, we have a friendship. L'amitié. Clair?
Yes, sir.
C'est
Yes, sir.
répétez après moi. C'est qu'on
C'est qu'on
C'est quand
on s'entende bien. Répétez après moi. C'est qu'on on s'entende bien. Bolo is language ko. This is your French language. Language ko you have to speak language, because then only you will get a grip in the language. Submit your things. C'est qu'on s'entende bien. Répétez après moi. C'est qu'on
c'est qu'on
c'est quand
s'entende bien.
entend
S'entendre bien.
When
s'entend
now
bien.
s'entendre. Mademoiselle, we have verb entendre. Now again, Simmer. How many verbs we have? The moment we'll touch the pattern and pattern and pattern, we will come to know vocabularies of the verb. Entendre, we have verb to hear. Entendre. C'est clair. Is it clear to you,
yes,
Simmer and team? So, passé
Yes, sir.
composé. What is my pepe of entendre? If I will say, you say, I heard that. बोलते हैं आप, we heard that. Heard. Entendu. Now, entendu. Now, this is our conjugation. I heard his word. J'ai entendu. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
So if you will say, I heard that, j'ai entendu que we have that, ki. मैंने सुना है कि, j'ai entendu que, because you are asking for the past, I heard that. So entendre is entendu, j'ai entendu que. C'est clair.
yes, sir.
C'est clair. Okay. So, acha, how to conjugate entendre verb? Tell me. How to conjugate entendre verb? How to conjugate entendre verb, mademoiselle? Are-ending verb. What is the formula of are-ending verb, Abhinav? What is the formula of are-ending verb? SS blank,
SS
ONS,
blank.
ONS, EZ,
ONSENTES.
ONS, EZ, ENT. C'est clair.
Yes,
Yeah.
तो आप क्या बोलेंगे? S, because that's an are-ending verb. So what I will do? J'entends, tu entends, elle entend, nous entendons, vous entendez, elles entendent. If I'm saying I heard that, j'ai entendu que, is it clear to you say? Is it clear to you? So I'm
Yes,
saying c'est quand on s'entend bien. C'est quand on s'entend bien. It is when. Say, this is when. Quand is when. Pen down please. Quand. Quand is when. When we listen good. When we get along well. On s'entend bien. It is when we listen good. When we get along well. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no.
yes, sir.
Claire? C'est une relation. बोलो मेरे साथ language को please. C'est une relation.
C'est une relation.
C'est une relation, because now with the help of these senses you will come to know lot of things. उसको यूज करना है क्योंकि अब आपको अपनी टंग को यूज टू बनाना लैंग्वेज के साथ. क्लियर? C'est une relation. बोलो आप. C'est une relation qui est basée, qui est qui est basé
qui est basé
sur la confiance, qui est basé sur la confiance. Now, what is this? I'm saying this is the relation which is based upon the trust. Confiance. This is the relationship which is based upon the trust. C'est une relation. This is the relation. C'est une relation qui est basée, which is based, qui est basée sur la confiance, upon the trust. बोलो आप इस लैंग्वेज को. C'est une relation qui est basée,
c'est une
qui est
C'est
basée
क्यों
sur la confiance.
relation क्यों अब basée sur la confiance.
Yes, répétez après moi. C'est con,
C'est quand
c'est con
c'est con,
c'est con
So will there be LA or LE before relation? Relation.
c'est une relation. हाँ हाँ.
Will there be an article la or le
Yes, la.
before?
Yes, yes. The relation. We have la relation. The relation. I can say c'est une a. Relation is always your feminine. La relation. The relation, la relation, feminine version. For this reason, I am applying un. That is my a feminine. Un. This is a relationship. Whenever you have a feminine, which is un, say clair. Is it clear to you, Abhinav?
Yes.
C'est une relation. This is the relation which is based, qui est basé sur la confiance, which is based upon the trust. Say clair. Tell me yes or no. Why?
Yeah.
C'est quand on, हमने लिखा ये रहा. C'est quand, répétez après moi. C'est quand, this is when. C'est quand on se sent bien avec l'autre. Very good. On se sent bien, répétez après moi. On se sent bien
on se sent bien
avec l'autre.
avec l'autre.
Again, Simon, your question, how many verbs we have? We have verb se sentir. Monsieur, we have verb se sentir. Se sentir, Abhinav, se sentir, we have verb to feel. But over here we have se verb. Se verb is what, Abhinav, kiya humne se verb, oneself. Have we done
Yeah.
se verb, right? So this means se sentir is to feel. I will say, je me sens, I feel. Claire. Tu te sens, say Claire. Is it clear to you? Say Claire, Abhinav.
Yes. Yeah.
ओके मैं आपसे ना अभी शमा सोला करवाता हूँ आपको. मैं आपसे मैं एक लिंक शेयर कर रहा हूँ अभी. एक सेकेंड. लेट मी शेयर द लिंक. I will share the link. Okay, then I'm going to save this recording and I'm going to share a new link. Okay, why?